wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. And if I find a way to get it, when I do it, I can live it and forget it. Cause I hate how much I love you, or I hate how you just put me in my feelings. I just wish you understood the gravity, but you got low sinners. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than to live it and remember. I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. Yeah, now I'm so lost, where do I go? I was in a chase, caught a flat on road. It was all love, X no O. I was feeling rich, but we turned out broke. North Pole, life so cold. Lukewarm love, should've took it to the stove. You were bad news, all kind, no pro. We grew apart fast. I guess we was reaping what we sowed, yeah. I guess we was unequally yoked, yeah. Guess if we was putting on the show, yeah. Guess we should've tried to take it slow, yeah. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be growing old. Now I can't believe that it was real. It was back in late December when I did it. I just wish I could forget it. Cause I hate how much I love it, or I hate how I just love to catch a feeling. Yeah. And you told me that you understood the gravity, but now I know you didn't. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than to live it and remember.
Spend my Mondays like Fridays, I spend my Fridays in a box. With my heart and my whining, I put my pinings on pedestals to the keeping them grounded. What's that mountain to nothing? Let's make something from nada. Let's go to Gucci and Prada, set the buildings on fire, screaming death to designer while we listen to ponder. I'm on a grown man, baby face, kind of a tantrum, spreading like cancer did. My father's skeleton. Damn, but I ain't sad that he gone, and I'm crying to help with him. I ain't good at embellishing him, or better with medicine than a spoonful of sugar. Watching everything go down, that's a long way. Pray that I never see the ground. A long day, I swear there's a better me around. Just gotta grab it, this is magic. This is what you lost or found. Make my baggage do a backflip, stick the land and hit the town. With my homie smoking spliffs until our lungs burst. With some songbirds who made our way out of the cage. We all some dumb nerds, probably should get to acting our age. But where's the fun in that? We going fishing with dreams and kept intact. Skipping plans, playing hooky on school days. You make your place in the world, don't let them try to tell you otherwise. This is it. Life's like a party out with Pennywise. That's a stroke of my ego out the tip of a fountain. Pen me in, swear to God I love a box to break out of. Come around the mountain, I'ma run straight through it. Let's be some Grey Buick music, like a budget be cooler than ballin' out when the economy fruitless and the ecosystem nervous, like a school full of shooters. Keep it all on the loop, like a rapper producer. God watch it and he laughing like it's all a big joke. Maybe that's the way to tackle all this hardship on the road of life. Like if something isn't going right, well then that's the way it goes.